Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 Cu.ft and the Anypro Portable Washer. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a compact 11 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Anypro boasts a larger capacity of 17.8 pounds, allowing you to wash more clothes in a single load, which is ideal for families or those with heavier laundry needs. In terms of wash programs, the COMFEEs provide 6 essential washing options, while the Anypro offers an impressive 10 programs. This variety in the Anypro allows for more tailored washing experiences, catering to different fabric types and washing needs. Weight is another important factor to consider. The COMFEEs weighs 79.4 pounds, which may be cumbersome for some users. On the other hand, the Anypro is significantly lighter at 43.34 pounds, making it easier to move and transport, especially for those who need a portable solution. In conclusion, both the COMFEEs and Anypro portable washing machines have their strengths. The COMFEEs is a great choice for those with limited space and smaller laundry needs, while the Anypro offers more capacity and features for a slightly higher price. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.